Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the animation player in Godot game engine. So let's get started. So first I'll just create one. Okay, I think this is not working. Create a 2D scene. I'll name it as game. So this is the parent scene. I'll just do Command S to save it. I'll just run it so that this is the root scene which is selected. Okay, then I'll just create one more scene, and here I'll just take character body 2D. I will take a sprite 2D for this, and I'll take one collision shape as well. For sprite 2D I will just drag and drop this Godot icon which is there. I'll just zoom it a little bit in. So for collision shape I'll just take rectangle shape 2D, and I'll just move it not like this. I'll just select collision shape. I'll move this as well. I'll Command S to save, and I'll name it as character body 2D. Now I want to make use of animation player, right? So for that what we can do is we can just add an animation player. So something like this, animation player. Now what I want to do in this animation, so first I need to create an animation. I'll just click on this animation, click on new, and name it whatever you feel like. I want to give it some rotate animation. Okay, click on OK. Now here is the interesting part. So if you go to your character body 2D, no, not character, sprite 2D, here is our transform, right? So we can change all these properties whatever you feel like: visibility, ordering, texture, material. Okay, and here you can apply how long the animation should be. So I think this is 1 second long, so which is fine. And here you can zoom this a little bit in as well by making use of this slider, so you can see more things. And if you want, you can just change this nearest FPS as well. I'll keep it as it is by default. Then there is this autoplay as well if you want, and there is this loop animation as well. So I have enabled both of this as well, so that I don't have to write it inside a script. I'll Command S to save it. Okay, now when the animation is at 0 second, I want the rotation to be 0 second as well. So here you can see this keyframe icon or whatever we call it. So I'll just press this and I'll click on create. So here you can see it has added rotation. Similarly you can add a scale, whatever position, whatever you feel like. Now when it is at 0 to second, I want to rotate it by 45 degree. Okay, so something like this. And maybe I'll add this as well. Again you have to press on this key, and here you can see it has added this thing dot. Then when it is just 4 seconds, okay, just a second, 45 degrees, now 44.4 is fine. Then it is when it is at 0.4, I'll just make this as, I don't know, 90 degrees, and I'll add this keyframe as well again. When it is 0.6, I'll make this as 0 degrees again. Okay, and I'll add this frame. Then when it is 0.8, I'll make this as 90 degree. Okay, and again make sure you keep pressing this, and when it is at 1 second, again I'll just make it as 0. I'll add this, so something like this. Now if you want to test it quickly, you can just click on this icon. Here you can see it is playing this particular animation, which is very weird, but yeah, this is how you can use animation player. Now if I go to our game, I'll add our character body 2D to this. Okay, I'll just click the move icon, move it over here. I'll play the animation, and here you can see it started playing the animation. You can also play the animation using the animation player.play. So suppose if I attach the script to this, I'll go to our animation player. I will turn off autoplay, but I'll keep on looping this animation as well. Then inside func underscore process, okay, I need to get hold of our animation first, so I'll just drag and drop it over here. Then here we can just do animation player dot play, and we want to play the rotate animation, right? That's the name which we have given over here. Then let's start playing. Here you can see it has started playing. So yeah, you can control this via programmatic way as well. Like suppose if you want to do the animation only on a button click, you can do this as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.